MIB and Robert Ricks presents Breaking the School to Prison Pipeline.
So because they built this building and called it school, I'm just supposed to show up here every day and sit in the classroom even though I'm not learning tech? I learn more on the internet. Do it for the fun. I ain't gonna do it.
Mama, come here quick and bring that licking stick.
Why are you still standing in my face? Miss, can I eat this little snack pack because it's almost lunchtime?
The stage play taking America by storm. Breaking the School to Prison Pipeline.
This education system was created before I was allowed to touch a book. That's why I'm not in the book.
An all-Rochester Youth Cast. A play you must see to understand them. Saturday, November 21st, 7 p.m. Franklin High School. Tickets on sale now at Mad Flavors and Tim's Wireless and BrownPaperTickets.com. Breaking the School to Prison Pipeline.